Hey guys, we didn't do an end of video last night. We had a lot of fuel vapors and 3 a.m. came by and
came and went.
Fucked our lives up. So this is day whatever, this many?
6, last one. We have to finish today because we have to leave tomorrow.
So we're doing, got line cutters and whatnot. We're gonna get it all blammed out and done, but engine's married to the transmission. Everything looks good. AOS is installed and then...
And the Coirad radiator.
Yep.
Just gotta put the oil, well...
all the fluids and goodies and we'll be done.
Here's Turbosmart's fuel pressure regulator. This is the 1200 one. And as you can see here, I'm gonna go through each of these ports here. Sorry we didn't have a video that how we installed it, but what takes the most time is cutting and measuring all these fuel rail lines. So we got these two on the side here, this one, and you guys can see this one over here for each of the rails. And then we got for the manifold pressure back here, and then I don't know if you guys can see where my hand is. I'll try to. So this one right here, this is for the fuel return. And then at the very bottom of it, you guys can see this. So there's a Cobb's fuel pressure sensor that we installed. And then if we go to the back side, here's Turbosmart's mounting bracket and clip that came with it, and you can install this anywhere you like. But for us, this is what worked for us the most. So there it is, and she looks so shiny and pretty.
Regulators, regulate.
Not gonna get fuel. There's a ground. I just threw the wire down and I didn't grab it out yet.
Okay. Well, we can pull one of these in.
Okay. Let me. I just got Jackie up for a second.
I'll pull both so you don't get electrocuted.
Woo! I love not getting electrocuted. That's your problem. No ground. They melted the tip of the self-tapper off. What the f? I put it in a new hole. Yeah, I just put it into a hole. I didn't.
Ooh, I gotta smell it.
Yeah, it like literally like turned into lava.
Trying to make a fuse weld.
I see.
Yeah.
But only it got hot, not the other reciprocated.
Yeah, the car's like, I don't care. Like, cool, thanks.
Go for it, bitch. I'm not hearing those pumps kick on.
Yeah, me neither.
It just said, don't use the middle wire.
Yeah, but there's three dark red wires.
Right.
It says don't use the middle.
Don't use the middle one. It doesn't actually say what the other two are for.
But it has an indication of where they go.
Roughly.
So
Very roughly.
fuel lever senders of the wire.
Yeah,
got that.
And then it goes to the yellow or green yellow.
And then again, the same shit with black.
It should be straightforward. I mean, there's only like 10 wires up here. No, we're not even connected. Hold.
There they are.
Hey, that bitch will start now.
Right? Now it's...
Wow.
Those sound brutal.
Okay, you ready?
Hold on. Shut it off.
Oh, what's leaking?
Fuel? Lots of it?
All right, day whatever.
Last day.
We had some video of it starting. We're doing a cam break-in, but it runs.
If finally she's alive again.
A little bit of oversight on some things and some oil issues. Not like the bad stuff, just like a lot of oil. And we're not familiar with how the tank works, so kind of squirted all over
The back of the seat a little bit.
The back in the cab.
It's okay.
We might have to adjust that a little bit.
There were some challenges today, and later we'll talk about that. All the things we didn't think about, so that way if any of you guys want to have a dry sump, we'll let you know like what to watch out for.
Right.
So, because not many people with Subarus do dry sumps, but it is a good system to help, you know, kind of like my last engine, help it not blow up. So.
Right. And this is to note our second 3 a.m. Shoot. So we gotta go.
Yep.
Peace. Air horn insert here. Wah, 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 wah.